got another video, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Today, Sunday, fun day, man. We're going out of Okeechobee to the Reds once again, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe.
Y'all, we at the bait shop. Y'all already know. I'm finna walk in there.
What's up, man? Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Y'all see we're going to a different location, so I had to go buy me a new pole. You know, we ain't going too expensive. Something slight, something cheap. Had to get a bucket. You gotta get a line bait.
What you got over here, boy?
Buying poles, what that say? I don't even know what that say, but yeah, man, we getting poles now.
You trying to go ahead and already line?
15 just pull the bases of lines tough.
They're about that big, and the wilds are like anywhere from that big to that big.
So which one's the farm race? I want a farm race.
Farm race, how many you want?
2 dozen.
2 dozen? Alright. Let me get you a bucket. Let me go grab one.
Okay, what fish you want? How much is that bucket fish? I got a big one. Hey, grab me some corks real quick.
Hey,
What kind of fish?
Oh, so you gotta buy that for the stuff in there?
Oh, you want Eli
You ain't getting no one. You get the one.
Nah, I'm gonna get a big one.
Oh, I'm just getting that one then. I don't know, bro. I hope we catch something doing all this.
I'm spending, bro, look, y'all, bro, I'm spending real money for y'all. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and watch the ad. Hey, put a camera on this nigga over here. Look, he's going to get
that man going a cheat way, man. Don't let him go the cheat way. Tell him to grab one of them star rods.
I bet you I catch more fish than him.
Look at this here.
We bet $10.
I bet you a 50 on it.
50? 10.
All right, yeah, I'm ready to talk.
Hey, third, what kind of fish is this for?
Yeah, so I need one of these put live bait in there too.
What you finna get some alive bait?
Yeah, but I think if I need some of these shit, you know, beginner shit. Beginner shit. I'm gonna ask them if it work. You know, I don't know nothing about fishing.
Yeah, that's you can use that.
So I need a lure. Now we're gonna get live bait. We're gonna get live bait.
Yeah.
Who wants to start?
Me. You already got me ready.
You ready? He's getting you right now. We'll get the stunner.
Oh, what kind of?
Hey, let me get one of them tomorrow.
Can you give me some hooks too, the same one?
Yeah.
And I need some bait myself too.
Hey, we can use the hooks we already got. Ain't it?
So I might not get that big one. I don't know. You know, I don't really like touching live animals. Insects. I like touching when they dead or if they ain't got no teeth. You know what I'm saying? They gummies. But I
What's she doing in here?
I need the same thing he get.
All right. How many of y'all?
Tomorrow I get a snack.
Yeah.
What about this?
How much?
Y'all finna grab a quick snack. What you want over here? Cheese. What do you want over here? Tomatoes.
What is that? You want a pack?
I think I need a bubble.
Yeah, we're gonna do it.
I need one. Then I'll be good one dozen putting it in there.
2 dozen. You're gonna get a dozen. Put the same
But I
way.
want to need a bubbler for that. Still need a bubbler.
Yeah. Don't die quick without it.
Come on, man. I don't even need the whole 12, bro.
80, 51. That's fine. Get back here.
Bro, you just spent $80 in here? How much that motherfucking bait is?
The budget,
So there's 30.
Oh.
oh, so you got the big bucket. That was cool.
$80.
How much it does mean?
15.
Did it come off? Did it come off already?
I haven't put it. I ain't took it off yet.
Yeah, put it on my side.
Oh yeah, okay. And the chips too.
Yeah.
Oh, I already put 15 on his. I put a dozen on
Take
his.
a 15 off.
All right. I'll just charge you 15 with your stuff.
Yeah.
All right, so 35.51.
No, you use your card after you get done. That's the answer.
So we need batteries for the board.
Hold up.
I think.
We done it both sides.
Well, the farm ways they die faster.
Somebody a bubbler.
And a battery.
Get you
How many
next.
coming?
We're all right here.
Dozen.
Dozen 12, so 17 bucks.
Oh, yeah.
You don't know how the dozen is, man?
I'm only thinking.
Bro, did y'all see
tonight,
YouTube, bro? This man just asked how many come in a dozen. Lord have mercy.
How many you get two?
Yeah, 2 dozen. It's the same bait, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I need a bubbler.
What you got over here, Eli?
Gonna go get the designers.
Ah,
Them
but you
boys
saw
don't know
now.
what they're doing.
You're good for the chips and you dozen.
For this with a card.
I got a card.
And I can put a
Tell him, dude, we got to
bait in a bubbler with cash. Whenever he
fine.
come back with
Hey,
that.
make sure y'all drop down in the comment section if y'all want us to do more vlogs like this, going fishing, you know what I'm saying? We
All right, so
going
we're
bass
good for the
fishing.
Robert the card, right?
Yeah.
So we just telling something slight, no bite content today. We thought it was gonna be
Hold
some
up and
bite,
grab
but it's
one.
not.
Well, yeah, you can go ahead
But
and
you go ahead
rank
and
it.
ring me up, though.
All right, what you got, man?
Right here.
So you got
Yeah.
519,
And then I got the small container,
the small bucket,
the bubbler.
a small bubbler.
I'm gonna need some batteries, right?
Yep.
And a small battery.
And then
No,
how
I
many
got
shots?
some batteries you can use.
I got.
You got batteries?
some? Alright.
And how many shots?
I got 2 dozen.
2 dozen. 53.49.
Oh, I came out cheap. What he spent $80 on?
Oh shit, you got the rod too, didn't you?
Oh shit.
All right, 90.93.
Now we talking.
Yeah.
So I make sure y'all make sure y'all watch these ads too, man. You know what I'm saying? I gotta get my money back. Real shit.
We're gonna go to this farm so deep, guys. We gotta walk away from everybody else.
How much you say?
90.93.
Start that cheese, little one.
91.
Thought that cheese, little one. Oh, this with me too, though.
That's, all right, that's fine. You're good. Y'all buying enough stuff.
That says white stack, right? Does that say white stack?
Yeah, it's a white shirt.
That's my people's.
Yeah?
Yeah?
Not my family, but like, that's what I always get in there, yeah. I go in there and scoop bait myself.
I'm gonna let you tell him that I paid for it. So.
Yeah, you're good. Did he get your bubble and stuff yet or
Yeah.
no?
No, he didn't get the bubbler.
If you want to, man, go back there in the corner.
I don't know how they look.
I'll get it. You're good.
I
got it.
Oh, you got it? Yeah, grab
if
it,
you wanna
Eli.
grab
Grab
one,
me one too.
Hey, I'm gonna come with you though. Come on, YouTube. We're gonna see what a bubble is. You know. I know what it is, but I don't, you know.
You don't know how to look.
Yeah, type shit, yeah. Okay.
That's all you need. Yeah.
Okay. I think he needs one too though.
One more. You got
Yeah.
Two bubbles.
Mine already
This
paid
is what
for.
you use to keep your bait fresh.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey, how old y'all think he is, bro? Look how short he is.
23.
Look at him. Look at the height difference. Like, hold on, turn this in. Look at that. I'm only 20, bro. Yeah, think about that.
Jamal, you said you got another pole on the way?
Oh yeah, I got another pole. You
Uh,
got another cheese, little?
I ain't got nothing. Don't worry about it, bro.
Don't say it. You did ring me up for this.
Yeah, you're all good,
Alright. Hey, Eli, you gotta set me up with a bubble.
Yeah. He'll set you up outside me.
Okay. Come on, you two, let's go. Let's see what you're talking about. Can't break the pole with this bottle. We got a turn on. Oh, we got a real fish. We finna taste them shit.
they ain't gonna do nothing.
You said what happened? Them
They'll
bitches
bite.
they got teeth?
No.
No. They won't bite you.
They got fins? They ain't gonna poke me?
No, they ain't gonna poke you. They're,
You just grab them bitch and put them on the hook?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, them baby fish.
they ain't gonna get you.
It's a baby snapper turtle.
Not bad, at least.
Oh, he told me you would set this up for me too, though. The bubble.
Alright.
Yeah.
You'll do me a favor too? You want to put the line on for me?
Yeah, I can.
Alright, appreciate you, man.
No. Did y'all get batteries too?
Off my homeboy got some.
And you'll do that number 2, please.
Yeah, ain't no big.
I got my own booking.
It's trash.
Hand me his bubbler too, if you don't mind.
I'm finna go grab the batteries. How many batteries do I need?
2 apiece, so 4.
Eli, let me see the batteries.
We just ran up a check in that motherfucker, huh?
Yeah. It's alright.
Jamal, we already down here? We
No.
gotta-
Huh?
Hey, you got no hooks in the arm.
I got a couple in the thing.
I got a whole damn crack.
You lost your whole back goods? It's on right here. Battery.
You got it already?
Yeah. You got the trash.
Y'all better pay attention to the tutorial on how to do this stuff.
Huh? I already took all my stuff out. I'm finna get everything ready for him, so I'm finna string it through another.
What's that gonna catch in?
Uh,
How many?
How many? We're gonna start off light. I'm gonna say about, if we be out there for a little minute, I'm gonna say about 5. We'll be out there too long. I don't really know.
Might go under this.
Huh?
You go under this.
No, I don't know how it is.
Yeah, you gotta go under that and then run through the eyes, and I'll show you how to hook it down. All right. I'm gonna go grab them real quick, and I'll be right back with you.
Alright. Hey Eli, what's a dozen wild?
What do you mean? They live longer. These are fucking farm raised and shits.
These bitches cheap though.
How much was those a dozen?
15.
That's not really cheap. The plates I go in course of this year 11.
How much your wild was?
I think it's probably 15, 16. Maybe it's 40. I don't know.
So I should
I just pay it.
I should have got down. It don't matter. We still gonna catch some shit.
Look at dudes.
Oh, you know nothing about 50, but you got 4 out of 50.
Oh shit. Huh? Yeah, I'm finna get it. Oh shit, brand new pole, tangled up.
What?
Nah, it ain't changing.
I'm finna get into it. I just spent my goddamn money. Hey, dude. I'm finna use my goddamn pole down there every day if I could. Oh man, I think I done fucked up. Oh, I fixed it. Oh no, I did.
Dude,
Fish? For that fish?
Oh yeah.
Oh, you gotta put that on.
Hey, if someone hit that wild shot, that's a big ass.
So you think I should use this?
I would, yes.
Okay. So when this go up under, it's on it.
Hey, I'm finna go to Popeyes, man. I gotta meet my old lady, man.
Where's my dog?
All later.
You told me.
Nah, I'm finna drive the car.
So we gotta go back that way?
We gotta go that way to get coke.
Oh, we just came over to Sunday.
They ain't got no baby over there with the last shot.
You supposed to be under this right now.
Fort Pierce, Fort St. Lucie.
Oh yeah?
Yep.
Where y'all fishing at?
By tradition. Tradition, Carlton.
Hey, bro.
Hey, my whole area, I was trying to show them bait fish.
That's the difference.
dang. That's what people said.
What do you need help with?
Hey, which way? How you loosen it, Jay? Hey, how you loosen the drive? Yeah, I've been waiting on third of them anyway, bro. You like trying to win some money, bro.
I don't even care about money. I want to catch the fish, you know?
All right, come on, bro. Help me out real quick, bro. Chase, you seen that shit?
Stop recording.
Yeah.
Oh! Oh my.
Oh, yeah.
They know how low to put it.
One, bro, one.
No, sir.